This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing both devices so pairing succeeds first try. Charge the bullets above half and disable other nearby Bluetooth gadgets. This reduces interference. On your laptop, open Bluetooth settings. Make sure you have the right user permissions. Once done, put the bullets into pairing mode by holding the power button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED pulses blue. This tells the headset to advertise. You want the laptop to discover a device named Bullets Wireless Z2 or similar. You now pair and configure audio profiles so both sound and mic behave properly. From the laptop's Bluetooth list, select Bullets Wireless Z2 and click Pair. If a PIN appears, enter 0000 or accept the prompt. Once paired, go to Sound Settings and select the Bullets as the output device. Make sure to choose the correct profile. Pick a 2DP for stereo music quality or hands-free for calls when you need the microphone. If you switch profiles, restart audio apps to apply the change. Finish by enabling active noise cancellation on the bullets using the hardware control so you get quiet background and better focus. Test audio playback and microphone in a call or voice recording app to confirm both directions work. If you encounter dropouts or stuttering, disconnect and remove the bullets from Bluetooth, reboot the laptop, then repair. This clears many cache and driver hiccups. And if problems persist, update your laptop's Bluetooth drivers. Modern drivers fix compatibility with BLE audio and advanced codecs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.